Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome to our next session, part 4, exercise. Here we are having some questions, means in examination we get some questions, such type of questions. Here first one I am taking magnification of the image in the given figure is. This is June 2016 multiple choice question. Here is given in the figure object placed at center of curvature. This is object and image formed on center of curvature only. So he is asking to what is its magnification. He is asking magnification. So magnification, we have formula height of the image by height of the object or minus V by U, image distance by object distance, minus image distance by object distance. So here height of the image, height of the object. Here height of the object is upward direction, arrow upward direction. So this is positive. Height of the image, this length is the height of the image. So that is downward. So minus HI. So, and another one, from the object to light ray incident in this direction. This is object distance U, this direction. So, for this is concave mirror. So, all the distance measured from the pole. In this direction, we measure the distance. So, incident to opposite direction. That's why we get U as minus U. This is minus U. And V, the distance between the pole and image is the image distance. Now image we measured in this direction. So same direction. The distance and image distance measured in the same direction. So this is positive, plus V only. So substitute these values. We get M equals to HI minus HI. And both sizes are same. So HI and HO same. Height of the object equals height of the image. So height of the image minus height of the object plus HO. So both are same. Height of the image and height of the object same. So we'll take same. HO get cancelled. So we get minus 1. So magnification value by taking image and object heights, it is minus 1. If you substitute image distance and object distance also, we get the same. How? Minus V. V is what? V is positive only. Minus V. And this distance also same here. U equals to V. So we can take minus V plus minus U by U is minus of minus V is V equals to U. So minus U by here U is minus U. So minus U. So minus into minus plus U by minus U. So U get cancelled. So 1 by minus 1 means minus 1. Therefore we get M equals to minus 1. So for concave mirrors, the magnification for this condition, for this situation is minus 1. So, like these questions we have to see. And second one, there is an object in front of convex mirror at a distance of 5 centimeters. If its focal length is 10 centimeters, then what is the image distance and what is the magnification? So this is above concave mirror. This is convex mirror. That's why we will get U value minus F plus value plus 10 centimeters. So we have to find V. So we have the mirror equation 1 by F equals 1 by U plus 1 by V. From this 1 by V equals, we write 1 by F minus 1 by U. So 1 by V equals to 1 by f value is 10 minus 1 by u is minus 5. So that's why we get 1 by v equals to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5. So we can write it 1 by v equals to 10 5 here. 10 5 LCM 10. So denominator 10, 10 1s are 10. So 5 2s are 10. 1 plus 2 we get. So this is 3 by 10. So 1 by v equals to 3 by 10. So v equals, we can write 10 by 3. That is 3.33 centimeters. The value is what? Plus value. Means image distance plus. So now we have to find the magnification. M equals, we have formula minus v by u. Magnification formula minus v by u. So m equals to minus v. So minus v, I am writing minus 10 by 3 by u value. U is given minus 5 centimeters. So minus minus get cancelled. We can write it 10 by 3 into 1 by 5. 5 1s, 5 2s. So we'll get 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means we can write 2 by 3. It means 20, 0.36 by 18. We take decimal. 2, 36 by 18. So on. So 0.66 centimeters we get. Diminished image. Convex mirror, we get diminished image, and the magnification also less than 1. For convex mirror, magnification between 0 and 1. So that's why magnification we get 0.66. We will see in part 2, part 4, second part we have to see about work, homework. Thank you.